Good morning, team. Sparkly clean. Let's go harvest some giant watermelons.
Wow, look at the size of these. We found it, Papa.
Squeak, squeak.
Mm-hmm. Perfectly ripe.
1, 2, push.
Engine ready. Let's go.
All right, team. Lifting this big watermelon in.
You got it, Papa.
Just right. Safe and sound.
Shino, use your webs. Someone needs help. Let's go. Keep running, team. We're almost there.
This is so exciting. Let's go, let's go.
All right, that should hold it.
Hooray! You did it, Papa Monkey.
Help, I'm stuck.
We're here to help.
Don't worry, Papa will lift it. Papa, help. It's okay, little guy.
It's too heavy. We need the tractor.
Stay with him. I'll be right back.
He's gone.
Don't worry. He's getting help.
Keep fanning, Pee-Pee. You're doing great. Don't worry, little bear. We'll help you feel better. Hold on tight.
Whoa, here we go.
Here we go. We're moving. Almost there. Keep it steady, Papa. Perfect. We're ready.
Hooray! All hooked up. Stand clear.
Yes! Hooray! Perfect! We did it! Gotcha! You're safe now. All right, team. Let's move this branch. Yay! Woohoo! Look at the bubbles, everyone! Yay! Let's get them. Where are you? Are you here? There you are. I found you. You're welcome, Mama Bear. Goodbye. We'll see you soon.
Great job, rescue team.
Almost home, kiddos.
Hooray!
Look at the watermelons.
Keep scrubbing, Shino. You got it. Woohoo!
Let's get this tractor squeaky clean.
Yeah, soap it up.
I'll get the tires.
Look, Papa, the mud is gone.
Hooray for Rescue Ranger.
You are all doing a great job drying off our cow.
I think we got all the water off.
Hooves are all clean and dry.
Oops.
Wow, look at you, Rescue Ranger, good as new. You shine so bright, I can see my reflection.
Let's go on an adventure!
Time to get all clean. Whee! I got wet. Now my turn.
Time for a sweet reward.
Time for a treat, little ones. Yeah, watermelon! Hooray!
Time for a treat.
Ooh! Yay! All right, a big one for you and a perfect size for you. Wow, thank you, yay! Yummy! Almost home now! Yay! We made it! We did it!
Great job, team.
Look, Pee-Pee, more grain for our friends. Wow, Papa! So much yummy food!
Good job, Pee-Pee. Safe and sound for the night.
Yeah, Papa. Mission accomplished. Ooh, look at all the juice. Wow. So much.
Once upon a time in a deep forest,
Wow.
where the ancient trees touched the sky.
And then the little bunny closed his eyes.
Now, who wants apple pie?
Almost done, everyone.
Yay!
Looks perfect.
Time for sleep. Sweet dreams, little ones.
Good night, Papa Monkey.
Time for bed, little ones. Good night, Papa. All right, team. Are you ready? Yeah, we're ready. Let's go.
Ah, that's better. Time for an adventure.
We need to fix this fence today. Let's fix it. Ready, team. Look, it's the Rescue Ranger. We're ready for our adventure.
Good night, team.
Time for a big adventure. Let's go, Rescue Ranger. Be safe, friends.
This stalk isn't looking well. Something's not right here. Almost ready for harvest.
Look at me. I can see the butterfly with both eyes at the same time.
All right, team, back on the road.
Yay! Let's go!
two are the best helpers a monkey could ask for.
Yay! So fun! We're here! Woohoo! Oh, look! The best farm in the world!
Happy farming.